I like cake.
मुझे केक अच्छा लगता है.
I like dogs.
मुझे कुत्ते अच्छे लगते हैं.
Don't shout.
चिल्लाओ मत.
He stood up.
वह खड़ा हो गया.
He is strong.
वह ताकतवर है.
I like both.
मुझे दोनों पसंद हैं.
I will come.
मैं आऊंगा.
Nobody came.
कोई नहीं आया.
Nobody lied.
किसी ने झूठ नहीं बोला.
Was I wrong?
क्या मैं गलत था?
We promised.
हमने वादा किया.
What is this?
यह क्या है?
Are you sick?
क्या तुम बीमार हो?
Bring him in.
उसको अंदर ले आओ.
Come with us.
हमारे साथ आओ.
Has Tom left?
टॉम चला गया क्या?
I am at home.
मैं घर पर हूँ.
I can't move.
मैं हिल नहीं सकता.
I don't know.
मुझे नहीं पता.
I have a car.
मेरे पास एक कार है.
I have a dog.
मेरे पास एक कुत्ता है.
I understand.
मैं समझता हूँ.
I'm a doctor.
मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ.
It is a book.
यह एक किताब है.
It's snowing.
बर्फ गिर रही है.
Please leave.
कृपया जाइए.
We are happy.
हम खुश हैं.
What is this?
यह क्या है?
Are you tired?
क्या तुम थक गए हो?
Can you drive?
क्या तुम गाड़ी चला सकते हो?
Do you get it?
क्या तुम्हें समझ में आया?
Don't get fat.
मोटे मत हो जाना.
Don't give up.
हार मत मानो.
Drink it down.
पीकर खत्म कर दो.
Flowers bloom.
फूल खिलते हैं.
I am who I am.
मैं हूँ जो हूँ.
I know things.
मुझे चीजों के बारे में पता है.
I like donuts.
मुझे डोनट पसंद है.
I will take from him.
मैं उससे ले लूंगा.
I am tired now.
मैं अब थक गया हूँ.
I am very busy.
मैं बहुत व्यस्त हूँ.
Is that a cat?
वह बिल्ली है क्या?
It's for free.
यह मुफ्त है.
Let me try.
मुझे कोशिश करने दो.
Let's do that.
चलो करते हैं.
Make it quick.
जल्दी कीजिए.
May I come in?
क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ?
Open the door.
दरवाजा खोलो।
Please get in.
कृपया अंदर आइए।
Read it again.
इसे दोबारा पढ़ें।
Read it aloud.
पढ़ के सुनाओ।
He bent down.
वह नीचे झुका।
This is a map.
यह एक नक्शा है।
Some fish can fly.
कुछ मछलियां उड़ सकती हैं।
Ram is my son.
राम मेरा लड़का है।
We are in town.
हम शहर में हैं।
Don't touch it.
उसे छूना मत।
Were you shot?
क्या तुम्हें गोली लग गई थी?
Can I help you?
क्या मैं आपकी सहायता कर सकता हूँ?
Clean the room.
कमरे को साफ करो।
We are happy.
हम खुश हैं।
Unbelievable.
अविश्वसनीय।
Switch on the TV.
टीवी ऑन कर दो। अलमीरा खोलो।
Open the almirah.
अलमीरा को आधा खुला रखो।
Keep the almirah half open.
अलमीरा को पूरा खुला रखो।
Keep the almirah fully open.
दरवाजा बंद कर दो।
Close the door.
खाते वक्त अपना मुंह बंद करो।
Close the mouth while eating.
खाते वक्त अपना मुंह बंद रखो।
Shut the mouth while eating.
कपड़ों को कील पर लटका दो।
Hang the clothes on the nails.
मैं इस कील पर अपनी फोटो लटकाऊंगा।
I will hang my photograph on this nail.
शादी कब करोगे?
When will you get married?
मैं एक आध महीने में आऊंगा।
I will come in a month or so.
मेरे पास एक गुड न्यूज़ है।
I have a good news.
मेरा चार्जर नहीं मिल रहा है।
I can't find my charger.
सिर पर तेल मालिश कर दो।
Do oiling on the hair.
आज नीली शर्ट पहनो।
Put on the blue shirt today.
मेरा मोबाइल नहीं मिल रहा है।
I can't find my mobile.
तुम मुझे मैसेज क्यों कर रहे हो?
Why are you messaging me?
टीवी ऑन रहने दो।
Keep the TV switched on.
वह पूरे दिन टीवी में घुसा रहता है।
He is engaged on TV throughout the day.
बहुत ज्यादा टीवी देखना तुम्हारी आंखें खराब कर सकता है।
Watching TV too much may damage/ruin/spoil your eyes.
मुझे यह धारावाहिक देखना बहुत पसंद है।
I love to watch this serial. What is your name? What do you want? What is your aim? What do you like most? When will you visit your mother? Where do you live?
हिंदी में बोले गए वाक्यों को इंग्लिश में बोलिए। मुझे केक अच्छा लगता है। मुझे कुत्ते अच्छे लगते हैं। मुझे गणित पसंद है। मैं आऊंगा। कोई नहीं आया। किसी ने झूठ नहीं बोला। क्या मैं गलत था? हमने वादा किया। यह क्या है? क्या तुम बीमार हो? उसको अंदर ले आओ। हमारे साथ आओ। टॉम चला गया क्या? मैं घर पर हूँ। मैं हिल नहीं सकता। मुझे नहीं पता। मेरे पास एक कार है। I have a dog. मैं समझता हूँ। मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ। यह एक किताब है। बर्फ गिर रही है। कृपया जाइए। हम खुश हैं। यह क्या है? क्या तुम थक गए हो? क्या तुम गाड़ी चला सकते हो? क्या तुम्हें समझ में आया? मोटे मत हो जाना। हार मत मानो। पीकर खत्म कर दो। फूल खिलते हैं। मैं हूँ जो हूँ। मुझे चीजों के बारे में पता है। मुझे डोनट पसंद है। मैं उससे ले लूंगा। मैं अब थक गया हूँ। मैं बहुत व्यस्त हूँ। वह बिल्ली है क्या? यह मुफ्त है। मुझे कोशिश करने दो। चलो करते हैं। जल्दी कीजिए। क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? दरवाजा खोलो। कृपया अंदर आइए। इसे दोबारा पढ़ें। पढ़ के सुनाओ। वह नीचे झुका। यह एक नक्शा है।
Friends, good afternoon to all of you. And I am indeed delighted to address at the annual conference of All India Senior Divisional Managers of LIC. I have put here What can I give? What can I give? What can I give? 3 times I have put. That's a motto of LIC. What can I give? What can I give? Reverse of what can I give, what is that? Reverse. What can I? That's the trouble India is going through. So, your mission is what can I give? LIC mission is what can I give? Not what can I take. That's a bad mission. So friends, my greetings to all the senior divisional managers and also other dignitaries who assembled here from Life Insurance Corporation of India and guests and special invitees. I understand that LIC of India is the largest insurer in the country, serving more than 30 crores of policies, having a life fund of 16.07 lakh crore. You are rich fellows and assets worth rupees 17.69 lakh crore. LIC has a committed workforce of around 120,000 employees and about 11.63 agents. They are the connecting fellows and who strive to continuously serve the customer better and better. The customer service better is a very important. It's not only agents have to do. The top boss to everybody has to do. Because future demands that. If you want to be competitive, if you want to compete with the world insurance companies, you have to have a motto, what can I give? How can I serve better? If these two things only make you competitive. Now there are 73 customer zones you have. You are connected very well. And nearly 32 to 33,000 premium points. These are all I read from your website. And 2,000 Life Plus offices. And where from the customer can expect personalized service, I understand. In the insurance sector, the LIC has a market share, 68% among the 25 insurance company. It's going to increase. 25 insurance company going to, because our billion people, naturally everybody want to come to India. So you don't get satisfied. You're going to be 25 insurance companies. More competitive insurance company going to come. More competitive. My greetings to LIC leadership and management, administrators, development officers, agents for achieving their success. I would like to share my thought. The topic I have selected, I hope you like it. What I will be remembered for. The topic for you, next 30 minutes I am going to talk, what I will be remembered for. Because each one of you assembled here, by name you should be remembered. So you ask, for example, you see this light. See this light. See the bulb. Immediately you remember a guy. You ask your child, your boy or girl, they will say it's Thomas Alva Edison. Okay? When the aircraft sounds here, you ask your children, they will say it's Wright brothers. When the telephone bell rings, whether it's a mobile telephone or real telephone, they will say it's Alexander Graham Bell. Your children will say. Because we remember them. They have given us. Same thing the Indian scientist. One Indian scientist asked a question. He traveled 1920s. He traveled from London to Calcutta. And he saw in the sea, the horizon was blue, sea was blue, and sky was blue. He asked why. Of course, he has to do the research for 9 years. Then he found that sky is blue, sea is blue at the horizon because of backscattering of the light. For he got a Nobel Prize, Sir C.V. Raman. So they are all remembered. Now, since you are all senior divisional officers, leaders in the LIC, at the end of the meeting you have to ask yourself, you have to write a small, in computer screen you write, or write in a small paper, what I will be remembered for. That means you have to do something. The whole division will remember, or few villages will remember. We have 600,000 villages. Nowhere in the world has got such a population, 600,000 villages, where 750 million people live there. 75% of people live there. What you have done? LIC, what you have done? To 600,000 villages, 750 million people, you ask yourself, what I have done? Then you will be remembered. If you have an answer, what you have done to your village, or villages, or cluster of villages, then you will be remembered. It is not what you have done to the government of India. That is your duty. But what that you will be remembered is by the common man in the islands, in the villages, where struggling produce the rice, wheat and give to you. He gives 260 million tons per year. In spite of rain failure, harvest failure, train damage, in spite of that, nearly we are not importing. So friends, what will be remembered? Now, that's the topic. What will I be remembered for? Each one of you asking the question. The topic I have given, what will I be remembered for? Now friends, now I would like to talk about national economic development and creative leadership, both two different things. One side, national economic development, that what you are one of the partners in the economic development. Another side, creative leadership. I am trying to find a link between the economic development and creative leadership. I am connecting the competitiveness and creative leadership through certain well-known methodology. I have evolved a methodology. You can participate in the evolution of competitive world to a creative leadership. Competitive world will have a creative leadership. See, for example, 600,000 villages, LIC, what it has done? A question. 600,000 villages, where max not Bombay people, Mumbai people, don't worry. Such type of people, only 300 million people. Remaining are all living 600 villages, 600,000 villages they are living. What LIC has done? Would have done a lot of things, I don't know. But that's the question, you have to get an answer. Friends, what I am trying to do, a prosperity of the nation is empowered by the economic development and great human character. Do you agree? The prosperity of the nation is empowered by economic development. You all agree. Now I am having a formula. So I am going to develop a formula. You are participating. I am saying, my first statement, the nation's economic development is powered by competitiveness. Nation's economic development is powered by competitiveness. Any dispute on that? Anybody says no? Something new if you have got, you tell me no. Because I have addressed this for nearly to lot of people, lot of institutions. I teach IIM also, Indian Management, at Shillong.